Hey everyone, I'm your friendly affiliate Brent and welcome to the channel. Okay, so it's been a long time since I've posted a video. I was taking a step back from my YouTube channel to prioritize email marketing. However, I wanted to create a new video series that will take you all from the beginning stages of a new project I've just embarked on. I will document along the way with simple update videos and keep you in the loop of my success, but also my failures. Why? Because let's be real, failure is always an option. One that I don't plan for, but keep it in the back of my mind just as a reminder and a motivator. I'm still doing my affiliate marketing business through email marketing and a little word of mouth. However, we're all told to never put all of our eggs into one basket. Slowly but surely, new doors are opening up for me, and so I wanted to diversify my income. So what's that magic number? Apparently it's 7. You need to have 7 sustainable sources of income to be truly financially independent, or so the internet says. Currently, I have a full-time job where that is my primary source of income by a long shot. However, I'm trying to change that mindset. I don't want to have to rely on any one source of income to live my life as I please. I know this process will be slow going and doesn't happen overnight. You know, I'm in it for the long run. And thus, for this reason, I'm embarking on this new opportunity that someone recently introduced to me. And this is where I want to take a step back and say I'm often reminded of Henry David Thoreau's, "The mass of men lead lives of quiet desperation. What is called resignation is confirmed desperation." If you're fed up of living a passive life, break that cycle. If you're fed up of living paycheck to paycheck, change your mindset. It's the only way you'll free yourself from yourself. A lot of the times you are your own worst enemy. I say this because I was in the exact same situation. I was complacent. I was a machine made in the mold of others. It was only when I decided to break free of the metaphorical shackles that new opportunities started to open up. Had I never decided to buy a $7 affiliate marketing program, then I would have never had the chance to meet the person who showed me this new opportunity. By the way, the $7 program was mediocre at best, but that's not the point. The point was that I broke free of my rut. I started joining programs and offers to help me become a better version of myself. Did they all work out? Hell no. But giving up and returning back to my mediocre lifestyle was not an option either. So I pressed forward, met new people, joined groups, networked, even though it didn't really feel like networking. Was it only through that process that I had to experience for myself that more and more opportunities started to present themselves? Not all opportunities are compatible with you or your lifestyle, and that's okay. Find out what works for you and stick with it. Moral of the story, get out there, join programs, meet new people, converse with them. The majority of people you will come across are exactly like you and have similar, if not the same, goals as you. A lot of them want to help as well. Generally, helping each other builds bridges, opens doors of opportunity, and ultimately leads to more money. But let's face it, money is a huge driving factor of why a lot of us do what we do. That's not to say that it's the only driving factor. Money is just simply a means to an end, though what that end is, only you can answer that for yourself. All right, enough of my soapbox. On to the new journey that I originally started this video for. So, as I mentioned earlier, a fellow affiliate marketer who also belongs to several groups I'm members of, reached out to me and started conversing about an investment opportunity. So at first I was skeptical, and rightfully so. At this point, I've gone through the sausage making machine. I've tried many programs that didn't pan out one way or another for whatever reason, though I must admit I'm often the reason things don't pan out. And I didn't want to pay into something that I know down the line I wouldn't stick with. But at the same time, I was truly lured into the enticing prospect of true passive income. A lot of us affiliate marketers use the words passive income a little loosely. I'm guilty of that fact myself. However, in affiliate marketing, passive income is not telling the whole story. You need to build funnels, create emails, find emails to promote, find offers to promote, send out emails, make videos, post on social media, get your brand out there, and also network. It's a lot of work, and I still do it 2 hours every night, sometimes more. I was really ready for a true passive income system that I can just set it and forget it. That was my number one reason for investing in the platform. Much like a savings account at my local bank. Put your money in, let it sit, and reap what little rewards banks have to offer. A paltry less than 1% annually, not even enough to cover the massive amounts of inflation we're experiencing today for goods and services. She said, "Oh, that's it, but this system returns you 3%. I said, "Please don't waste my time with 3% annually." She said, "Oh no, you misunderstand. This is 3% ROI weekly." My ears undoubtedly perked up. I said, "Excuse me, say that again." She said, "On average, this company has been paying out 3% ROI weekly and have been for the past 3 years without fail. They have never had a losing week." I was like, "Impossible. Everybody loses money at some point. How do they make money? What are they investing in?" She said, "Well, this is where it gets a little risky. The company is basically a hedge fund, but instead of playing in the stock market, they trade in Forex and cryptocurrency." Now, at this point, I was thinking, yeah, this is highly sketch. Crypto space has been highly volatile for years. I know because I had some cryptocurrency up until recently. In fact, I, like many others, lost money. Good thing I only invested a minimal amount when I started to dip my toes. Later said to myself, manually managing crypto is definitely not for me. Knowing what to buy, when to hold, when to sell was no doubt intriguing, but I didn't have the time nor the patience for managing individual cryptocurrencies. So I started to dig into the company a bit more to find out some more information. You know, the standard stuff like, is this a scam? Will I lose my money? How do they make money? Who's in charge? Is there a face to the company? When do they pay? How easy is it to withdraw? How long does it take to withdraw? What is the company vision? How long will they last? What's their track record like, etc.? You know, there's a lot of information to digest when trying to understand their past, present, and future. The company has, from what I've been able to understand, 6 master traders across the world who actively trade more or less 24 hours across many time zones. Satisfied with my little bit limited research and comfortable with the level of risk, I decided to jump in. Now, like with any skeptical investor on a new platform, I decided to start small and see if the claims that everyone else was saying is true so that I can limit my potential risk. Claims like what, you might ask? Well, claims of weekly ROI of 3% on average. Novatech has been averaging about 3% weekly ROI for the past 3 years without fail. There has not been 1 week where Novatech has lost money. Now, I'm no seasoned investor by any stretch of the imagination. Novatech does not guarantee any returns, nor does past performance promise future gains. I'm not a financial advisor, nor am I giving any financial advice. I'm simply taking you all on my journey and highlighting my experiences, good or bad, along the way. All investments carry a certain amount of risk in one form or another. Therefore, you should not invest any money that you yourself are not comfortable losing. And as always, do your own due diligence. With that said, 3% weekly. What does that mean? Say I start off with an initial investment of $1,000. From what I understand, trading is from Monday to Thursday. They pay out ROI on Fridays to your bonus account separate from your investment account. So in this case, that would mean $30 gets put into my account, my bonus account. And so I, as an investor, have 2 options. One, I can withdraw the ROI. It takes about 24 to 48 hours for money to be sent from to my crypto wallet. From Novatech to my crypto wallet, either in BTC, ETH, or Litecoin, or USDT .ERC20. Or I have another option, option B. I could take my ROI and reinvest it into my PAM account, percentage allocation management module, which is the investment account, the main investment account. So the following week, instead of earning 3% on the initial $1,000 investment, I'm now earning 3% on $1,030. So as you can see, on weeks 2, 3, 4, and 5, the compounding takes effect here. On week 2, I have my $1,030. in the trading account, and I earned 3%. That nets me $30.90. If I reinvest it again in week 3, I'm earning 3% now on $1,060.90, which should net me $31.83 in ROI, so on and so forth. So you can see how this interest can actually double up your money quite quickly. And this is where Einstein had said that compounding interest was the 8th wonder of the world, and I tend to agree with him. In all transparency, I have invested 1,100 of my hard-earned dollars into the platform. On the first week, I was paid just under 3% because my main account wasn't active at the beginning of the trading week, and I reinvested the ROI that next Friday for compounding. The second week, which was the first full trading week, I earned 3.26 ROI, and which again was reinvested. And on the third week, I earned 2.14% ROI. Now we're going into the fourth week now, and we shall see what the results are this coming Friday. I will again reinvest the ROI for compounding. Now, there are different strategies for limiting risk on this platform, but I will go over that in a future video. This is as close as to set it and forget it that I will accept. Every Friday, I still need to go in and verify the earnings, if any, and reinvest or withdraw the bonus. As of filming this video, Novatech is on the cusp of releasing a new feature that will auto reinvest our bonuses back into our trading platform or trading account, so that no intervention on Fridays is required from the users. If the auto reinvest feature is enabled, I will also receive an email confirming the auto reinvestment and the amounts. So there's no need to log into the platform, thereby making it even more set and forget it, even though you really don't want to forget about any type of investment that you have. But more importantly, the auto reinvest feature will reduce the amount of investors logging into the platform on Fridays, which will increase site performance. Currently, the platform runs at a snail's pace on Fridays because everyone is trying to log into the site and reinvest their ROI or pull out whatever ROI sits in their bonus account. And that's it for this video, folks. There's a lot to talk about with this platform, so make sure you're subscribed if you haven't already, and click that notification bell. I want to thank you for watching this video. I really appreciate it. In the next video, I will be updating my weekly results, so I'll catch you on the next one.